We're going to activate the gluteal muscles with the gluteal bridge. So we'll lie on our backs. And we can perform the gluteal bridge with 2 legs or a single leg. Your job is to scoop the tailbone under and thrust the hips high. For the 2-legged bridge, start with your feet about hip-width apart. Hands should almost be able to touch the heels. You'll drive through your heels and drive your hips high to the sky. You'll perform 10 repetitions as you scoop your tailbone under, creating a posterior tilt of the pelvis before thrusting your hips high to the sky as you drive through your heels. For the single leg bridge, imagine there is a bar held above the ground about 12 inches. Touch the bar with both the left and right hip bones as you drive through one heel, keeping the other leg extended. Perform either the 2-leg bridge for 10 repetitions or perform the single leg bridge, 10 repetitions on each leg. Drive the hips as high as possible and hold at the top for 2 to 3 counts. Firmly engage through your gluteal muscles as you hold your hips high. Try to avoid allowing the lowest ribs to flare up. Instead, engage those abdominal muscles.